Want to bring all your data into one place? Let's create a dashboard in monday.com to track projects, tasks, and goals with ease. Once you log into your account, look at the left sidebar and click on Dashboards. Then hit New Dashboard. A prompt will ask you to name it. Pick something clear like marketing overview or team progress so it's easy to identify later. Now it's time to customize. Monday.com gives you a library of widgets, things like charts, timelines, workload views, calendars, and numbers. Click Add Widget, choose the one you want, and connect it to your boards. For example, you could link a sales board to show monthly revenue in a chart, or a task board to display team workload. Drag and resize widgets however you like to create a dashboard that fits your workflow. The best part is that everything updates automatically as your team works on their boards. And that's it. You've built a dashboard that keeps your team aligned and your projects on track. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.